Every year the same drama returns. Long golden evenings, then crisp short days, then back again. It feels like Earth is breathing toward and away from the sun. It is not. The sun's warmth changes because Earth arrives at the same slant, year after year, like a nod that never stops. Myth. We have summer because Earth moves closer to the sun. Physics. Earth's orbit is nearly circular. You are only about 3% closer in January than in July if you live in the northern hemisphere. That tiny distance change cannot explain swapping snow for heat waves. Tilt does. The sun pours roughly the same energy toward Earth all year. Yet hemispheres trade hot and cold. Something must steer how much of that energy lands per square meter on the ground. Concentration, not total output. Earth's spin axis is tilted about 23.5 degrees relative to its orbit plane, and that tilt stays pointed at nearly the same direction in space as we orbit, like a slow spinning top whose lean does not wobble toward the sun. When your hemisphere tilts toward the sun, midday rays arrive steeper. More energy per patch of ground, longer daylight, more time to absorb heat. That is summer, not closer, but more direct and more hours of sunshine. 6 months later, the same hemisphere tilts away. Sunlight glances at a shallow angle. Energy spread thin across more ground. Days short, nights long. Cold is not absence of sun. It is dilution and duration. Solstices mark maximum tilt toward or away from the sun, longest and shortest days. Equinoxes are the crossovers, tilt side-on. Day and night roughly equal worldwide. For pins on the orbit, one calendar. While one hemisphere summers, the other winters, simultaneously, on the same planet, same sun, same orbit. Australia's December beach weather is not a different Earth. It is the other side of the tilt. Here is the twist. If seasons were about distance, every continent would feel summer at once. A global thermostat dial. Tilt gives us opposite hemispheres on opposite schedules. Earth's lean is why the planet never agrees on the weather. Sun angle also steers climate patterns. Jet streams shift, rain belts migrate, snow lines climb and fall. Seasons are sunlight geometry rippling through oceans, plants, and migration routes built on the tilt clock. Recap: orbit distance barely changes. Axial tilt stays fixed in space. Steep sun angles concentrate energy and lengthen days, summer. Shallow angles spread energy and shorten days, winter. Hemispheres trade places every 6 months. Next on Science Sketch, a magnet is not magic. It is billions of tiny compasses inside iron, finally agreeing on a direction.